USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Let's talk about USDJPY. So starting your top down approach with a weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the uptrend. So trend is up. Coming back to daily time frame. Daily, we have not made a new high yet. So is this low broken? Not yet. So coming back to daily time frame, this low is not broken. You see, this was your last low. This is your BOS. It has rejected it, so this price has to go up. Okay, so we have the rejection. This is not broken, so this is not the downtrend yet. Okay, so this was your move, and then again you see all this move is engulfed by this blue candle. So we are in the uptrend. Coming back to the 4-hour here again. Let me see, this is 066, this is 046, this is your could be double top. Okay, so this is tricky. Okay, USDJPY. I think we should look for longs only. Okay, because you see here, this is your move. We have to examine here. So when this high is broken, rather this high is broken. Okay, this high is at 156.066. As soon this high is broken, we have the bullish signal. Okay, as long this high doesn't break, then we have the bearish signal. So this candle could take the price down because this is an engulfing candle, but it was on Friday, so Friday don't really matter. But wait, okay, if this high is broken, as I said, 156.066, if that high is broken, next blue candle closes above this high, that's your bullish entry. If that doesn't happen, then we only look for shorts. Subscribe, like, join my free Telegram, share the video. All the links are below my channel.